Okay, so for today's video of how to use a makeup brushes 101, besides the fact that this is like an all dark, I feel like this is like one of those like, hi, are you up late at night? Like, okay. Skip forward to the actual video. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be talking about full-on oval brushes. So I'm going to scoot over here so that way I can put the video up there. Okay, so full-on oval brushes. So I have all of these brushes right here from Vanity Planet, and yes, these were sent to me by Vanity Planet, but I'm not gonna be like saying, oh, you need to get these brushes and everything, because I'm not doing that. But I will list my first reactions video to it up there in the corner, so that way you can take a look at that and everything, because these are definitely worth it. Anyways, enough of that. Okay, so we're just gonna be talking about the things that you could do with these, okay? And the reason I love them, but I don't use them a lot, okay? Pros and cons. I'm first gonna start off with saying that the one reason why I don't use these brushes as much as I would love to is mainly due to the fact that these brushes are extremely hard to clean. And I found that out because this brush right here in particular, which is the largest brush in the group, let me make sure everything's like in focus first real quick. Come on, focus for me. Come on, don't do this to me. I need you to focus. Focus, focus, focus. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, 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 you're almost there. Now you guys know, now you know the struggle of trying to make videos and making sure that your stuff is in focus. Oh, oh, come on. Will it focus? Will it focus or will it not? That's just wrong. What are you doing? Oh, come on, you had it. That's just wrong, it teased me. Did you see that? It teased, it like slowly went in. Oh. Okay, what if I put my hand there? You don't even want to focus it on my hand? It is trying me today, guys. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay, one more time. If you don't do this, I'm gonna put you on manual. That's it. That's it. Come on. Oh, this is just wrong. Oh, you were trying it today. You know what? You know what? I got you. I got you. How about that? How about that? Yeah, how about that? I had to put you on manual just to get you to understand. Okay, enough of the whole camera thing. Now you understand my struggle. Okay, so like the large brush itself, it's got a lot of like actual like hairs in it. But it's super soft and everything. So it's got a lot of hairs in it. But what's so difficult about it is since it's so thick, if you use like a thick foundation or a liquid foundation, something that's thinner, it will go down into the bristles. And so to get that product out of there is extremely difficult. So what I've had to do is basically run it with dish soap, and warm water, like lukewarm, not hot, but like lukewarm, and kind of like a rubber mat, or if you want, you can get like one of those like actual brush cleaning mats. I happen to have one. I don't remember what brand it's from, but it's in the shape of a butterfly and it's absolutely so cute. But I use that to clean it, and so I just kind of like run it around on there, but I try not to use the stem. I try to hold it by the head and do that, so that way I don't put too much stress on this and snap it, because these are very thin, although they do have a lot of bend to them. I don't necessarily want to try it that way. I don't want to press my luck, so I just do that and run it back and forth. And I rinse it out and put more dish soap on there, and then do it again, over and over again. And then afterwards, I set the brush upwards like that, so that way the water runs down and not into the base. So I do that with all of them. But I will say though, for foundation, what I've noticed is like with the Fenty Beauty, if I just want like a light coverage, something that's light, something that looks naturally beautiful and everything, like with still like knowing that you have skin but not like covering up like full coverage, I will use this with the Fenty Beauty, and it puts it all over, just like a few squirts on there and you're good and everything, and it gives like the most natural look ever. Now with highlighter, you want to pack on highlighter, you want to look like a disco ball, I'm telling you right now, these things will do it. Okay, so I usually use this one right here for highlighter, and I use this one right here for like just like for more definition up here in this area. So more definition, full coverage, as well as I'll use this one for highlighter as well, which is bigger than the other one. For contour, oh my gosh, like this thing right here for contour, you can get some like chiseled contour in there like no other. And then by fading upwards, like by basically doing it this way and then fading upwards, you will get a severe cut crease like contour for the cheeks. Like it's incredible. Now for blush, I mean, you could use it for blush, but I wouldn't necessarily say that these are amazing for blush, if you get what I'm saying, right? Because with blush, I like to, you know, rosy cheek it in, obviously, with like a regular cheek brush. But for like nose contour, hands down. I don't do nose Earth, Heavenly, where are you? Nose contour, I don't usually do nose contouring because my nose is very thin as it is. And so, but the times that I have, I'll